I just got this value pack 6-pack of vacuum sealer rolls for my vacuum sealer. Now I went with these because they are exceptionally well reviewed, they are super high quality, and the bags don't have anything in them I don't want in them. So let me show you the quality of these bags. Now you get 8 by 20 and 11 by 20 bags, so basically quart bags and gallon bags. And I'm gonna show you how they work with a quart bag. And as you can see, it's basically just like one really long bag. So you can completely customize how you seal this bag, how long or short it is. And it's a great thick material and it has really nice edges as well. So let me seal it and put it to the test. So I'll open up my sealer, stick this in, lock it down, and just seal. There's a great seal. Now let's add some food to it. And so now I've made my first bag, and I'm gonna fill it up with these dried pineapple slices, as these often dry out too much before we eat them. So I love that I can put these in separate sealed bags. So now that's ready to go. Just stick it on in, vacuum seal it up. I couldn't be happier with it. It is exactly what I need. I love that I can customize the bag length and it seals beautifully. I definitely recommend these vacuum sealer bags.